Let us be completely honest. Once you pass 60, the chances are high that your eyesight and memory are not as sharp as they once were. Many people start to notice small changes like forgetting where they place their keys or needing brighter light to read. These changes are often brushed aside as simple aging, but that is not the full truth. Your brain and your eyes are deeply connected. They share the same blood flow, the same tiny vessels, the same nerve pathways, and even the same kind of inflammation that slowly wears them down over the years. When one begins to weaken, the other often follows. The good news is that this process does not have to continue. It can actually be slowed down or even reversed with real food. Not pills, not expensive supplements, just pure natural vegetables that your body understands and knows how to use. Each night as you sleep, your body runs a repair program. It cleans damaged cells, clears away waste, and restores the energy systems that keep you alive and alert. But this repair system only works when it has the right nutrients to fuel it. Most people eat in ways that block this process instead of supporting it. Heavy meals late at night, processed food, and too much sugar interfere with your body's ability to heal itself while you rest. But when you feed it with the right kind of vegetables, especially during dinner, you are giving it tools to rebuild your eyes and strengthen your memory while you sleep. There are 4 special vegetables that stand out for this purpose. They may look simple, but together they can do remarkable things for your brain and vision. Let us start with broccoli. Many people think of broccoli as a boring green side dish, but this humble vegetable hides powerful compounds that activate your body's natural repair systems. Broccoli contains nutrients that protect your brain and eyes from inflammation and cellular stress. When you age, your cells lose the ability to defend themselves from damage caused by daily strain and pollution. Broccoli helps switch that protection back on. It supports the cleansing of toxins and strengthens the protective walls of your nerve cells. For people over 60, this means less brain fog, sharper recall, and clearer vision. Your eyes and your brain are both vulnerable to oxidative stress, which is like rust forming inside your body. Over time, that rust eats away at clarity and focus. Broccoli helps remove that internal rust by increasing the body's ability to neutralize harmful particles that damage cells. It also helps with better communication between your brain and your eyes, ensuring that what you see is processed clearly and quickly. Get the most benefit from broccoli. You should steam it lightly instead of boiling it. When cooked gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, it keeps the delicate healing compounds intact. You can add a small sprinkle of mustard seed powder after cooking to activate even more of those helpful elements. The best time to eat it is during dinner, so that while you sleep, your body can use those nutrients to restore your mind and eyesight. One person I spoke with who added broccoli to their evening meals said that within a few weeks their vision seemed clearer and their mind felt sharper in the morning. That is the quiet power of natural food. Now let us talk about carrots. For generations, people have said that carrots are good for your eyes and that advice is absolutely true, but carrots go far beyond that. They help the brain as well. Carrots contain a bright orange pigment that the body converts into a form of vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining the light-sensitive parts of your eyes. When you do not have enough vitamin A, your eyes struggle to adjust in dim light and night vision becomes more difficult. But vitamin A also has another job. It helps your brain cells communicate with each other. As we grow older, the speed of communication between neurons often slows down. This is one reason memory sometimes fades or it takes longer to recall a familiar name. Carrots help protect these neural connections and keep them flexible. When your brain stays flexible, it learns faster and remembers longer. Carrots also contain smaller compounds that calm inflammation in the brain's memory center. That means they can help protect you from the kind of gradual decline that many people assume is simply part of aging. When you eat carrots regularly, your mind becomes more alert and your eyes gain better clarity, especially in the dark. For maximum results, it helps to cook carrots slightly. Light steaming or roasting makes the nutrients easier for your body to absorb. If you add a little bit of healthy fat, such as olive oil, the benefits increase even more because your body can absorb the key nutrients better. Try adding carrots to your dinner, or even enjoying a small warm bowl of roasted carrots as a comforting bedtime snack. You may find that you not only see better, but also feel more mentally awake the next day. Now we move on to beets. These deep red roots are famous among athletes for their ability to boost energy and oxygen levels. But what many people do not realize is that beets are also wonderful for seniors who want to improve circulation to their eyes and brain. As we age, our blood vessels become less flexible and our circulation slows down. That means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach the organs that need them most. Beets help open up those blood vessels, naturally allowing blood to flow more easily through the body. This extra flow carries oxygen to your brain and eyes while you sleep, helping your cells repair and rebuild. Better circulation also means better alertness when you wake up and clearer thinking throughout the day. Many older adults notice that their focus drifts more easily, or that reading at night becomes tiring. Often this is not just due to weak eyes, but reduced blood flow to the retina and optic nerve. Beets can help bring that flow back. People who start eating beets regularly often describe feeling more mentally awake and even more energetic during the day. The best way to prepare beets is to roast or steam them lightly. Boiling them for too long removes many of the beneficial compounds. You can also drink beet juice if you prefer, but it should be cold-pressed and without added sugar. Drinking it in the early evening gives your body time to use those natural compounds before you sleep. Beets also contain unique pigments that act like shields for your nerve cells, protecting them from damage. The deep red color is not just beautiful, but a sign of its healing power. Next comes asparagus. This vegetable may not be as colorful as beets or carrots, but its healing properties are just as strong. Asparagus supports nerve repair and mental clarity in a way that few vegetables can. It is rich in a nutrient that helps your brain make important chemical messengers. These messengers control your mood, focus, and motivation. Without enough of them, the brain begins to slow down. You might feel tired, foggy, or forgetful. Asparagus helps your brain rebuild those messengers naturally. It also supports the production of antioxidants that protect your nerve cells while you sleep. Every night, your brain goes through a process of cleaning itself. It clears away waste that has built up during the day. Asparagus helps this cleaning process run smoothly so that your brain wakes up refreshed and clear. It even helps protect the outer coating of your nerves, which allows messages to travel faster between the brain and body. When that coating wears down with age, people may notice slower thinking or poor coordination. Asparagus helps rebuild that protective layer. To get the most benefit from asparagus, cook it gently. A few minutes of steaming or roasting is enough. If you add a drizzle of olive oil or a squeeze of lemon, you make the nutrients even easier for your body to use. You do not need a large serving. Just a few spears several times a week can make a big difference over time. Now that you know about these 4 powerful vegetables, the question becomes how to use them together. You do not need to eat all 4 in one meal. That would be too much and might even make digestion harder. Instead, choose 2 vegetables per evening and rotate them during the week. For instance, broccoli and carrots one night, beets and asparagus the next. This gives your body a balance of nutrients and prevents repetition fatigue. Keep your cooking simple. Avoid heavy sauces and deep frying because those can destroy the natural healing qualities of the vegetables. Light steaming, roasting, or gentle sautéing in olive oil works best. Add a touch of sea salt or garlic for flavor if you like. And remember to drink enough water with dinner because hydration helps deliver nutrients to your brain and eyes. If cooking every night feels like too much, you can prepare a few servings ahead of time. Store them in glass containers in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat them gently before eating. You can even blend them into a warm soup if chewing is difficult. What matters most is that you eat them consistently and give your body what it needs before you go to bed. Think of this as a small evening ritual. Just as you brush your teeth to protect your smile, you can feed your eyes and brain to protect your clarity. Over time, you will likely start noticing changes. Maybe you will read your newspaper without squinting or remember names more easily. These small improvements are signs that your body is responding. This approach is not about quick fixes or miracle pills. It is about giving your body what it has always needed. Real food with real nutrients that support your natural repair process. Many people spend money on supplements when they could get the same or better benefits from a simple plate of vegetables. Nature has already provided what your body requires to heal. You just need to give it a chance to do so. As you continue this habit week after week, your body will adjust. Your nights will become more restful, your mornings clearer. You will feel more alert, more aware, more alive. These are not just small perks. They are signs that your brain and eyes are getting the oxygen and protection they need to function well again. Now let us end on a message of hope. No matter your age, it is never too late to take back control of your health. Whether you are 60, 70, or beyond, your body is still capable of healing. Every single night, you are given another opportunity to repair what has been worn down. The only question is whether you will give your body the right tools. Broccoli, carrots, beets, and asparagus may seem ordinary, but together they form a natural defense system for your vision and your memory. They cleanse, repair, and protect. They help your mind stay alert and your eyes stay bright. When you make them part of your evening meals, you are not just eating dinner. You are giving your future self the gift of clarity, focus, and peace of mind. So tonight, when you sit down for dinner, take a moment to think of what your body needs. Choose foods that help it heal instead of those that weigh it down. Eat with purpose. Sleep with confidence. Let your dinner become your nightly medicine. You do not need to surrender to age or live in fear of decline. You simply need to feed your body the way nature intended. Thank you for taking this journey toward better vision and sharper memory. Keep going. Each meal is a chance to grow stronger. Each night is a new beginning. Let your food be your healing and let your rest be your renewal. Your body still believes in you. Now it is time to believe in it.